Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Nissan Versa. As we look toward 2025, the 2024 Nissan Versa has been recognized as the best small car for the year, thanks to its exceptional blend of affordability, efficiency, and advanced features. Known for its practicality and value, the latest Versa model continues to impress with its well-rounded performance and modern amenities. Efficient performance and fuel economy. The 2024 Nissan Versa offers a single powertrain option that balances efficiency and performance. The model is equipped with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine producing 122 horsepower and 114 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), which ensures smooth and responsive acceleration while optimizing fuel efficiency. The Versa's fuel economy is among the best in its class, with an estimated 35 miles per gallon combined. This makes it an ideal choice for those seeking a cost-effective and fuel-efficient vehicle for daily commutes and long drives. The Versa's handling is characterized by its nimble and agile nature, making it easy to maneuver through city streets and parking spaces. Modern design and comfortable interior. The 2024 Nissan Versa features a contemporary design that combines style with practicality. Its exterior boasts a sleek and aerodynamic profile, highlighted by a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted lines that enhance its modern appearance. The rear of the vehicle includes distinctive taillights and a refined bumper, adding to its sophisticated look. Inside, the Versa offers a comfortable and well-designed cabin that prioritizes both driver and passenger comfort. The interior is equipped with high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. The standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless integration with smartphones for navigation, music, and communication. Higher trims offer additional features such as a larger 8-inch touchscreen, upgraded upholstery, and a premium audio system. Advanced safety features. The 2024 Nissan Versa comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, making it a top choice for those prioritizing safety. Standard driver assistance technologies include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and rear automatic braking. These features work together to enhance safety and provide added peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Additional available safety options include blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, further improving the Versa's safety capabilities. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Nissan Versa has been well received for its combination of affordability, efficiency, and advanced features. Its competitive pricing and high-value offerings make it a compelling choice in the compact car segment. Available at Nissan dealerships nationwide, the Versa continues to attract drivers looking for a practical and stylish small car. Conclusion. The 2024 Nissan Versa stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a remarkable blend of performance, modern design, and advanced safety features. With its impressive fuel efficiency, comfortable interior, and comprehensive technology, the Versa delivers a satisfying driving experience that meets the needs of today's drivers seeking a top-quality compact vehicle.